Welcome to the first installment of our 2022 road trip, featuring the Beartooth Highway and what we're calling Postcards from Yellowstone.
Yes, we were able to visit Red Lodge. That's where we stayed, to see some of the damage that Rock Creek had done in Red Lodge during the time of the Great Yellowstone flood this year. The people in Red Lodge have worked very hard to recover.
Our original plan was actually to stay in Gardner and focus on North Yellowstone, including the Beartooth Highway and Lamar Valley, but because that entrance was closed down and our reservations were canceled, that's why we ended up over in Red Lodge, allowing us to go to what they did get open, the Beartooth Highway, all the way up to Cook City.
Yeah, last year we were able to do the Beartooth with some friends, but the weather was less than ideal, and so we wanted to take the opportunity, since it was presented to us, to do the Beartooth with pretty much ideal conditions.
From there, then we went around to West Yellowstone, stayed in Grizzly RV Park, and really we only had a short time, but it was a very relaxing time, just catching a few of our favorite spots and then spending a little time in areas that we really hadn't seen before.
You'll see some scenes from the Madison River that will make you want to come to Yellowstone. Bus. Okay.
It's a beautiful day to be on the Beartooth Highway. We're partway up, coming up from Red Lodge. We haven't gotten to the pass yet, but we're on the switchback section.
Oh, and this is just incredible. We have a phenomenal day. It's in the mid-60s. The sun is bright. A fair number of people riding the Beartooth, and it's a great day to be up here. Wish you were all here with us, although then it would be a little crowded.
So we made it back to Beartooth Pass. This is where we were last year in September. It's so entirely different having the sun out. We can actually see what last year didn't even seem to be there.
Yeah, it's been really spectacular. Our last stop included a herd of about 20 mountain goats that were just destined to pose for us. Scenery and a weather standpoint, just amazing.
We even saw some skiers back at our last stop. They just like dropped off the edge of the mountain. I don't know what was going on with them. It was crazy.
Yeah. Wow, what a day it's been. The Beartooth Highway has just been magnificent. If you're in this area of Wyoming and Montana and you have the time, please take the opportunity and drive this road. The beauty is just phenomenal. It's hard to describe it in words.
Yeah, Larry said just a little bit ago, he said this is a magical place, and I think he's right. I definitely agree. We drove from Red Lodge up to Cook City. We had lunch in Cook City, a nice little cafe, Beartooth Cafe, and now we're on our way back to Red Lodge. We're almost back down there. It's been an awesome day, and we've just been so thrilled to be here.
Yeah, it's been, as John Denver used to say, it's been a Rocky Mountain high for sure.
That's for sure. So next up we're going to be touring Idaho, and it is a state with such variety in landscape. I know you're going to enjoy some of those scenes for sure.
Yes, not only the scenes there, but we've found that the people from Idaho are very special.
So as we always say,
make the best of every day.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye for now.